Hi, welcome to you. So we are learning trigonometry. We have finished compound angles, so we'll learn about multiple angles now. Now what's the meaning of compound angles? We learned in compound angles where you have addition or subtraction of two angles. Now what's the meaning of multiple angles? That means if A is an angle, we are talking about multiples. That means we are talking about A, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, something like that. Okay? Right. Now, when I can get a plus b equal to 2a? Only when b becomes equal to a. That means, in these equations, if I substitute b equal to a, I should be able to get the values of sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a and cot 2a. Let's go ahead and simplify that. Let's see what's going to happen. Right. Now, a equal to b. So this is sin of b is equal to a. So this becomes a sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a. B is a. Similarly, b is a. Sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. That is nothing but equal to 2 sin a cos a. Similarly, let us look for cos 2a now. Cos 2a equal to, where b is there, that will become a. So cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a, that is cos square a minus sin square a, which you can write it as also cos square a, I can write it as 1 minus sin square a. So it becomes 1 minus 2 sin square a. That is also equivalent to 2 cos square a minus 1. How you got it? Now we want everything in cos, so I can write it as 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square. Cos square adds up 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. Now let's go here. If I make a equal to b here, this becomes tan 2a. So tan 2a is equal to tan a, b becomes a. So tan a plus tan a is 2 tan a by tan a into tan a is tan square a. So that's nothing but equal to 1 minus tan square a. Let's also see what is cot 2a. Now again b is equal to a. So there are two ways you can do that. You can directly take tan 2a and reverse it also. This way also we can do. We'll check both the ways. Now this becomes a. So this is nothing but equal to cot a into cot a. That is cot square a minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot a. That is nothing but equal to 2 cot a. What is the other way you can find it out is cot 2a is nothing but equal to 1 by tan 2a. We know tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So this becomes 1 minus tan square a by 2 tan a. But we want the answer in cots. So I'll make it as 1 minus 1 by cot square a by 2 by cot a. If I simplify that, this is nothing but equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Have you got it? Cot square a minus 1 by cot square a into cot a by 2. So cot a times you will get cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Okay, that's how we can find out multiple angles. Sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, cot 2a, tan 2a. Okay. Now sin 2a, cos 2a we can also tell in terms of tans. Let us look at that. We know cos 2a and sin 2a. Let me do it here. We just now learned that sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Now I want this to be in terms of tans, right? So what I will do, I will write it as 2 sin a cos a divided by Sine square A plus cos square A, because we know sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now you know what I am trying to do, right? If I divide by cos square A, this becomes 1 plus tan square A. If I divide by cos square A, this becomes 2 tan A. Divide by cos square A, this becomes 2 tan A, and this becomes 1 plus tan square A. Now cos 2A, the formula is, just now we have learned that it is equal to cos square A minus sine square A. Let me also put down here cos square A plus sine square A, which is nothing but equal to 1. So if I divide by cos square A, I will get 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. And you can cross check. If you divide sin 2A by cos 2A, you will get 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A, which is nothing but what we got earlier. Another way of finding out sin 2A cos 2A is directly go here and do the triangle. You know that, suppose let us say this is the something, okay, right, let us say 2A, yes, 2A, we know tan is equal to 2 tan A, this is 1 minus tan square A. If we apply Pythagoras, this becomes 1 minus tan square A whole square plus 2 tan A whole square, and if you square root it, it becomes 1 plus tan square A. What I am saying here, let me just write it down here. If you are interested, you can just look at that. What I am saying is, this, let us say x is a hypotenuse, x square is equal to 1 minus tan square A whole square, 1 minus tan square A whole square plus 2 tan A whole square. If you simplify that, that is nothing but equal to 1 plus tan square A whole square. Why? Because this is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4ab. That's nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's nothing but a plus b whole square. So x equal to 1 plus tan square A. Otherwise, you can directly go here, and you know that sin 2a equal to 2 sin A cos A. By that also you can find it out. So we have found about all 2a's. Now suppose somebody wants 3a's. What to do? So let us find out 3a's now. So we started with A, then we went to A plus B, compound angles, then now we are into 2a's. These are compound angles and these are multiples. So 2a is over. Now let us see 3a. That's how generally we go. So let's also see what is 3a. So you want to find out sin 3a. Now any thoughts? How we want to go ahead with this? Same logic, whatever we have applied. Sin a plus b. Now I will write it as sin 2a plus a, where my a is 2a and b is equal to a. So this is nothing but sin of a plus b, sin a cos b, that is sin 2a cos a plus cos 2a sin a. Now we know the value of sin 2a because we just now found that is nothing but equal to 2 sin a cos a. That we got it. So I have to multiply again with cos a. Then I have to add cos 2a into sin a. That is nothing but sin a. I have to multiply with cos 2a. Now since it is in sin, we want everything to be sin. So I will write cos 2a as not as cos square a minus sin square a. I will write it as 1 minus 2 sin square a, which is the same. Now 2 sin a cos a into cos a is cos square a. I said our objective is to keep them in sines. So I will write it as 1 minus sin square a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. Now If you 2 sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is nothing but 3 sin A. 2 sin A into sin square A is 2 sin cube A, minus you have another 2 sin cube A. So this becomes 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. That's about sin 3A. Now you want cos 3A. What we will do? We will do in the similar lines. We will say cos of 2A plus A, that is, what is the formula for cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That means cos 2A cos A minus sin 2A sin A. Now I want everything in terms of cos because I am working for cos 3A. So what it will be now? Cos 2A is nothing but equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. That I have to multiply with cos A, minus of sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A into sin A. Now the whole idea is to keep everything in cos, so I will convert these into cos. This is nothing but 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A into sin A into sin A is sin square A, which I can write it as 1 minus cos square A. So this is nothing but, if I simplify that, 2 cos cube A plus 2 cos cube A, that is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. You can see that sin 3A and cos 3A are a little bit similar. Instead of, when you go for sin 3A, it is 3 sin A minus 5 sin cube A. When it goes to cos 3A, this becomes 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. That means sin becomes cos and sin changes. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So the sign interchanges and sin becomes cos. Now you want to find out tan 3A. There are two ways to do it. The easiest way is, again, go with the same formula, tan of A plus B. I will write it as 2A plus A. Now we know tan 2A formula. Just now we have learned that it is nothing but equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A plus tan A divided by 1 minus 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A into tan A. Now let us simplify this. If I simplify this, what happens? I can write it as 2 tan A plus tan A into 1 minus tan square A, that is tan A minus tan cube A by, if I take LCM here, this becomes 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. You can see that 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A will cancel out. They both are there in the here, right? 3 tan, this becomes 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. So that's a little bit about the multiple angles. Now we will see submultiple angles, then after that we will do some problems on both multiple angles and submultiple angles. What I want you to do now is, I have did for sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A. Can you do it for me? What is cot 3A? Can you do it for me? What is cot 3A? And check whether you are getting the same value. If you divide by 1 by tan 3A and convert them into cot, whether you are getting the same value or not. So see you in the next video where we will go through submultiple angles. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.